Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what you can do so that you won't get banned while using this autoresponder. So if you don't know what autoresponder is the app that works like a bot that we use for a lot of automation tools. Like it used to work like an autoresponder you get. So this app can do a lot of stuff, a lot of amazing stuff that most people don't know about. Like this particular app, I've used it for customer care rules, like reply for English, reply one for this one, reply two for services, for courses, for this one. And then this particular app can work as an autoresponder with Tasker plugins and a lot of amazing stuff. But that's not why I here today. Why I here today is that for those that use this app, especially my students, I want to show you how you can edit and do several stuff, adjust several stuff, so that you won't get banned while using this app. I've seen scenario where people complain that okay, they get banned because of automation. It's not actually true, because I've been using this app for more than, I don't want to exaggerate, but I've used it more than 2 to 3 years now. Yeah. So I personally want to tell you that if you haven't gotten this app, there's a link in my description or in this comment section that you can use to get it. I have the word I paid for or Play Store that I actually give people the access. So in case you are interested, you can get it. So now let's get to the business of today. Well, what you need to do is that the first thing is you want to make sure that you are using a different variations. What I mean by different variation is this. Let's say as a first timer, because okay, let me do it this way. Let me click on your storage and take the app as a new version, like someone that is using it for the first time. You get, let me just clear the app data and open it. Good. This is what you are going to see now. This one is just like you are using it for the first time, right? Now if you click on this place like this, you will see something like exact machine, marity match, pattern machine, expert matter machine, and a lot of stuff. But you don't really need all of these things. What you need is if you have been using the autoresponder, you know how to use it. Let's say you have like I and your response is like hello. Let's say it like this. See, I hello. That means that whenever anybody is saying hello I to your message, to your DM or WhatsApp, it will be replying them automatically like hello. You get? So now the issue is that this message will be like for everyone, and WhatsApp algorithm will dictate that this person is using an automated response that is kind of suspicious. You get, like it can be a scammer. This person can be a scammer or something, so they can flag it. They can flag the account temporarily. So what we do in this kind of scenario, that instead of adding just one response, like instead of just adding hello like this, you can just click on this plus icon here, and you can click on it several times. You can put hello with emoji. You can put I. So people will be like hi there, like this. So then the difference between this variation is that, remember the first time I used hello, just one response, it is in all like this place. I want you to check this place. It is in all like this. So we want to change it to random. Random means that any of these responses will be sent. Instead of it sending all of them, any of this response will be sent at random. You are not the one doing it, like it will be doing it automatically. You get? So you just put multiple variations. You can put as many as possible. You get? Then the second thing you want to do is that you want to use this delay in seconds. Delay in seconds means that the numbers of time it take to reply. Let's say you are using this autoresponder for advert, or you are getting new traffic. So you want to put, like, for me I use like 10 seconds. 10 seconds as minimum. You can use this one like 30 seconds. Like 30 seconds is not bad. I don't want it to be like ASAP yet, especially for adverts that I'm running. For this basic responses like hi, good morning, good afternoon, and the rest, I can still put like 5 seconds, 3 seconds. But for adverts, especially the rules that, let's say you are running advert, like let me create something like I am interested in learning XYZ. My name is, let's say you create a response like this and choose maybe like similarity match, then this response will be like Let me just copy something like welcome to this one. Let us save this now. Let's say you are doing something like this for a WhatsApp link and they are coming for maybe your adverts, maybe let's say Facebook ad, Instagram ad, influencers, WhatsApp TVs and the rest. So you want to make sure this response is not automatic, like, and it's not the same thing. You can put plus like this, then put something very similar to that one. You can just rewrite it in another, like in another English. You just change the word. You can just paraphrase it, you get. So then change this one to random. Then come to this place, choose like 10 seconds. This thing that is here, MIN and MAS, it doesn't mean minute or something. It means minimum and maximum. This is like minimum and this maximum, you get. So you put like 10 seconds here, then like 30 seconds here. Some people even put more than that. Some people can put like 60 seconds here, then I'll put like 30 seconds here, then put 60 seconds. This thing is already in seconds, you get. So anytime you want to calculate, you calculate them in seconds, not minutes or hours. So you know 1 hour may equals 60 minutes, like 1 hour 60 minutes. So 300 and 600 seconds will make 1 hour, like that. But here we are not trying to make it too long. We are making it to be at least minimum. So we are just using 30 seconds, which is like half of 1 minute, and 60 seconds, which is like 1 minute. Yeah, so minimum maximum. Then you choose this thing to be in individual so that it will not be disturbing those are in your groups. So just these are the basic thing. Now, if I have set up this automation for you, or probably you got my course, or probably somewhere else you've gotten the course and you want to adjust this thing, these are the things you adjust. It's very, very important. Then at the same time, you want to make sure that you are using it just particularly for your WhatsApp business or for our account that you use for your business. So let me show you how to do that. You just come to this place like this, you go to settings, then you go to choose variation like this. I choose WhatsApp version. For me, I use WhatsApp business. So let's say I want it to work for only WhatsApp business. I'm going to choose this. Yet, so then there are other stuff that I have in these things that most people don't know, and I can't put all of them on YouTube. But I have like over 10 different videos on how to use this particular app alone. You get. So once again, like you put in multiple variations, then 2 you adjust the time, then 3 you can put it for only your WhatsApp business. You get. So remember, you can put as many variations as possible. So if you want to learn how to use this app plus other functions that this particular app can work with Tasker and some other plus one or other apps like that for a lot of automations like auto saving with redeems, auto saving without redeems, scanning, frequently asked question both, AI integration, and many other stuff that you can do. So I have a course. It's just 20,000 naira. It contains all these videos I'm talking about, all these step tutorials, and these are not just boring videos. They're not long videos. They are very, very short videos that you can implement within 30 minutes. You can watch all of them and start using the app. You get. So then you are not paying for any subscription because you've already paid with the student's email address. I'm going to give you the login. You just install it on your phone. So the login is just for you to download. It's not as if the number will be saving on the email address. It will be saving on your own email address. You get. So that's just it. I'm going to put the link in this video tutorial and put it in description or the comment section. Then if you don't have time for video courses, you want someone that can just go on Google Meet and set it up for you, I can do that as well. I've done it for a lot of people like you. If you can check my YouTube channel, you see some of their testimonies. You guys, so I can do it. It's called done for you or do it yourself. So the done for you is currently 35,000 naira instead of the normal price of 55,000 naira, while the course is just 20,000 naira instead of the normal price of 30,000. Yeah. So if you are interested, just click the link around this video at the time you are watching this video and you get it. So the course is currently available and the done for you is available as well. So see you in my next video and make sure you subscribe if you find this video helpful.